All right, everybody recording?
Everyone's ready as spaghetti.
Okay, Sex Panther Pro, take one. This is the Sex Panther Pro. I'm Rob Rass from Milesboard. Let's crack this bad boy open. Ooh, boy. Right away. I'm excited. That's a good looking board. The details on this thing. Ooh, boy. Look at that. So the Sex Panther Pro is very similar to the Sex Panther with the exception of the drivetrain. This has belt drive motors. What that means is you're gonna get better torque and acceleration. It's called the Pro because it hits you very fast and very hard. Just like a panther in the wild, biting, taking down a zebra, something like that. This thing's gonna take off like crazy. So if you're inexperienced, not used to that kind of acceleration, this one will take some getting used to. Let's see what else is in the box and what makes this Sex Panther Pro so special. So in here, you've also got, check it out, you've got your normal charger, T-tool, the remote, all standard stuff, and you also get full AT kit. So you've got wheels and you've got the drive for the wheels right here. So these pop into the wheels. You put that on the back of the board and you're going to be able to ride off-road. It's a 2-in-1. Sex Panther Pro comes with the 97mm street wheels and off-road wheels, all-terrain wheels. You can ride them on-road or off-road. You do get some extra belts in here as well as different adapters if you want to change the gearing of your current drive setup just for more speed or more acceleration. All right, that is the Sex Panther Pro. Again, it's the belt drive motor. It does have 12S 3P batteries, the same battery that's used in the Sex Panther. However, because it's a belt drive, it won't be quite as efficient as the direct drive. So if you want a quiet ride and the best of range, go for the Sex Panther. If you want the 2-in-1 though, the ability to go on and off pretty much any road and faster acceleration, better hill climbing, the Sex Panther Pro is the board for you. Not everybody needs insane amounts of range. Myself personally, I don't go that far in most rides, so it's up to you, Sex Panther or Sex Panther Pro. Take your pick. You'll be able to order it at sp.milesboard.com. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for a range video and a speed report as well. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.